Are you wondering how to get paid to review products from home? Yes, you can get paid to test products for free. Top brands and small business need people like you to review their new products, not yet on the market. And for your feedback, you'll be paid by cash, gift cards, PayPal, and merchandise. Keep in mind that it's always free and legitimate to become a product reviewer getting paid for your feedback. Keep watching for a list of 5 free product testing panels. Kate have been testing products for cash, gift cards, PayPal, and merchandise for the past 12 years and love doing it. It has become her full-time job now, getting 4 to 5 full-size products and samples to review a month. Because she's a product tester, she gets the first exclusive look at up and coming products not yet on the market. Also, she was able to test new products for free and keep the products too. She have tested electronics, toys, food products, beauty products, household products, baby products, adult products, clothes, websites, and so much more. Why does brands need consumers to join their paid product testing studies? The reason for paid product testing is that brands would like to know what consumers think about their newest products they're developing to be sent to stores. But before they do that, they need consumers like you to give their opinions. Having consumers giving insights about the brand's new product development will help them save time and money just in case the product doesn't do well, needing required changes. How does product testing work? First, you'll need to sign up with a market research firm that offers product testing at home. Once you do this, the market research firm will send you screener emails to fill out to see if you're qualified for their current product test jobs. When you fill out their screener survey, they'll let you know at the end if you're eligible or not. For example, let's say the brand is looking for people to test out their new makeup. If you don't use cosmetic products, then you won't qualify. If you do, then you'll be eligible for the product testing job. Once you get the approval to test the product, the brand will ask for your address to send you the product to evaluate for a week or 2. Then, they'll follow up with you with an email asking for feedback about the product you've tested. When you're done, you get paid. Woohoo! Simple, right? How much can you make being a product tester? What's great is that you can test products and keep them too. So, test products, keep it, and get paid. A win-win. You'll feel good that you had a voice and played a part in the latest product creation. However, there are times when the brand would like the product returned to make expectations, like the wear and tear. But even if you have to give the product back, you'll still get paid for your time. How much you get paid varies. Kate have been paid anywhere from $3 to $500. It depends how in-depth the testing process is. There was a time she tested a website in beta format for HBO, now called HBO Max, and they paid her $100 for doing it. All she had to do is test out their website for a couple of weeks, watch movies, then give my feedback. Easy money. Top 5 list of free product testing panels. These product testing companies are Kate's personal favorites she used to get free products at home to review and get paid by either cash, gift cards, PayPal, or merchandise. The more product testing companies you sign up with, the more money you will make. 1. I Say by Ipsos panel is the mother of all product testing panels and the #1 top leading product testing website, so joining them is a must if you're looking to test products. Receive high-paying product testing opportunities, making over $100 and more. They pay by cash, gift cards, PayPal, and prepaid debit card. 2. Branded surveys is a huge fan favorite, helping members make extra money online daily. It's such a fun and rewarding panel with the cash you earn building up fast, excellent customer service. Influence new products of tomorrow. They pay by cash and gift cards. 3. Univox Community is another excellent, well-trusted panel that offers household product testing worldwide. They also offer paid focus groups, clinical trials, in-home usage tests, online bulletin boards, taste tests, and mystery shopping studies. They pay by cash and gift cards. 4. Product Report Card. If you're looking for high-paying product testing opportunities, you need to sign up with Product Report Card right now. Also, they have a lot more ways to make money with them as well, including fast payments. Oh yeah, Kate tested a coffee product with them before earning her $150 for her feedback. Also, she was invited to join a $300 and $500 paid projects. They pay by cash and gift cards and PayPal. 5. Life Points join one of the largest influencer communities in the world. They've rewarded over $20 million to their members in the last year alone. Share your opinions on numerous products and popular brands, and get paid for it. Earn points that can be redeemed for rewards of your choice. They pay by cash and gift cards. Keep in mind that it's always free and legitimate to become a product reviewer getting paid for your feedback. In our next video, we would discuss about the steps on becoming a successful product tester. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss our next video.